In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add draw.io diagram in Confluence. If you want to include a visual workflow, system map, or any other kind of diagram directly inside a Confluence page, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to insert a draw.io diagram from inside the Confluence editor and get it published on your page. To begin, open the Confluence page where you want the diagram to appear. You can do this on an existing page that you're already editing or on a page you plan to update with new content. The important thing is that you're inside the page editor so you can insert new elements. Once you're in the editor, go to the exact spot where you want the diagram to be placed. This helps keep your page organized, especially if the diagram needs to appear between sections of text or under a specific heading. After positioning your cursor, type /draw.io. As you type, Confluence will show a list of suggestions. From that list, select the draw.io diagram option. After you select it, a pop-up window will appear. Give it a moment to fully load before clicking anything. Depending on your connection and workspace, this may take a few seconds. Once the pop-up is ready, you'll be able to choose from different diagram templates or from recent diagrams you've already worked on. This is useful if you want to start quickly with a pre-built layout or reuse something you created before. Click the template or recent diagram you want to use, then click Create. After that, wait again while the editor reloads. This step opens the draw.io interface directly inside Confluence, where you can build or modify your diagram without leaving the page. Now go ahead and edit the diagram however you like. You can adjust shapes, lines, labels, and the overall layout until it matches what you need. Take your time here, since this is the main design step. If you're using a template, it can be helpful to replace placeholder text first and then refine the formatting. When you're done, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This saves the diagram and inserts it into your Confluence page. And that's it. Your draw.io diagram is now added to Confluence and ready to be viewed as part of the page content. If needed, you can always reopen it later and make updates from the page editor.